birthday.
Ganda ng ano ko.
Happy birthday, Micah. Sana maging lawyer ka. Matupad yung pangarap mo. Yan na.
Hindi ko pwedeng magkano. Parang ano, main entrance talaga. Anyway, happy birthday, Micah. Isa lang yung number one na wish ko sa'yo, sana maging successful ka. And yung meron kaming tawag dito. Okay, ang payo lang namin sa'yo, number one, put God first in everything you do. And then,
Life can be overwhelming as an adult. Kahit hindi ka pa adult, yeah. Whenever you feel sad, you should always go back to your first love, which is writing and reading. Thank you.